Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to upscale image quality using AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now, if you're actually trying to create something just like this from different platforms or from some website just like Leonardo AI, so you might encounter some issues regarding its resolution. So that is actually one of the problems that some of the designers are encountering since they'll have a low quality image. So there's actually a solution for that we will gonna do onto this tutorial so that it will help you have or upscale your image to have its best quality. And for you to be able to do that, you'll just need to have first a design that you want to upscale so that you could follow along, and then you'll just need to head onto this website, which is the Video Pro Converter. So this is an AI generative video enhancer and converter. So this is a one-stop package to remaster old SD and low quality videos or photos, and you could convert a large 4K HD videos. So these transcode videos, audios, DVDs, upscale, smooth, stabilize, fix, compress, edit, download, and record, and tackle problems in video quality, formats, and file sizes with level 3 hardware acceleration technology. So as you can see, there is a lot of things that it offers, so it is really helpful. So you could do superior resolution, frame interpolation, video stabilization, convert, fix, compress, AI tools, edit, record, and download. And for you to be able to use this platform, there's actually a free trial in here. You'll have to download this so that you could go ahead and totally use this feature. And for you to be able to use this, there are actually some things that you need to take a note of. Now to get started, so actually the feature that we're gonna use onto upscaling into Video Pro Converter AI is the AI Super Resolution. So you can unlock Super Resolution in Video Pro Converter AI. So for you to be able to upscale the different photo that you have in here, so you will be able to receive something like a 4K or 8K while delivering a natural result without artifacts and losing details. So this is specially made for reality and anime videos or photos, and it promises to give your low resolution video an old image and new look. So you'll just need to download first just what I mentioned earlier, and as you can see, here are some of the examples that it have in here. So you have the frame interpolation, the super resolution, and the video stabilization. So we have here something like this. So as you can see, you have a blurry photo at first, and then right after using this website, you should be able to receive something like this, or a more detailed or a more very upscaled photo that should be have the great resolution that it offers. So this is actually made since most AI generated images have a default resolution of 1024 times 1024 or less. So this resolution is actually not ideal if you want to share high resolution images with your clients, print out the art as posters and large wall art, or display it on UHD 4K or 8K TVs. So fortunately, Video Pro has come to the rescue for this one, since they could go ahead and enhance the quality of your photo, upscale Midjourney image or any other AI generated tools like Leonardo in there or ideogram, and this will have your photo up to 8K or 4K for a video. So as you can see, make substandard videos above standard, and it will remove noises in videos or images, upscale your crop ins for high quality demonstration, process compressed content for reposting, and update old DVDs, photos, footage for archiving, and this has set the bar higher than competitors. So there are a lot of actually of information that you could see here onto their website. You could actually see their overview, architecture, which it is best for, the unique features, its interference, scaling, selectable denoise level, sharpness, and details, and this has been optimized for using on average computers. So how to use this? You'll just need to import, go to the super resolution, import your videos or photos by dragging or clicking in here onto the ad. Then right after, you'll just have the option in here to choose a GPU, the type, the denoise level, and model settings to upscale and enhance. And then right after, once you receive the photo, you'll just have to export that. So that is just basically it onto using it. And we'll just need to go ahead and try to install it first so that we could go ahead and try to see it firsthand on how it works. And right after you have installed it, you should be able to see this installation is completed. You'll just have to launch the app to get started onto using this one. So we'll just have to wait for this one to load. And as you can see, you should be able to see this message in here onto your local browser. It will automatically pop up that you have successfully installed Video Pro Converter AI. So there is actually some steps in here. So for unregistered users, what you get is a trial version, and you may evaluate Video Pro Converter AI with a short length video audio files less than 5 minutes. And for someone who purchased a or for purchase users, if you've registered freely, use all new features. If not, you need to activate Video Pro Converter AI full functions using your license. So as you can see in here, since you've gone ahead and already installed that one, you could go ahead and try to see also a quick video tutorial of Video Pro Converter onto the website that has automatically popped up, and also should be able to see some different things in here or the step-by-step Video Pro Converter AI guide onto their browser. So right after, so this is what it should look like. So currently we're using the trial version, and this is the registration process. So you buy the full version to use all your features freely. It is actually 52% off today, and it is a 30-day money back guarantee. So you just need to follow the process. If you want to register, click the following button to buy the full version, this one. And when the payment is completed, an email will be sent to you with the registration information. So you need to find the registration code in the email in here, just like this, and you need to enter it in here and the license code as well, and click on to activate. And since we'll just use the trial version, let's just try to remove that one out. And as you can see, there is also hardware info detected by Video Pro Converter AI in here. So they're going to check in here the different requirements if your PC or laptop has gone ahead and met those. So I'll just click on to next for that one, and then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and choose a process video with hardware acceleration to get started. So the choices that we have for the denoise, so currently we have the low, we have none, and we have high. So I'll just have to set it to low or leave it as it is. And also we have here the model settings. So we have the scale for 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. You could choose which one enhance with your image, and you could also use high quality and join in here. You could have the output in here, the image format. There are different format to choose from, the PNG and JPEG. Let's just leave it to JPEG. Image quality to 100%, and the output folder, you could choose from that one. So I'll just have to click on to run in here to have it. And also, as you can see, you should be able to see this pop-up screen again. So we'll just have to click on to continue, and then we'll just wait for the photo to be finished. So as you can see, we have here the file exporting. So we have here the upscaled photo already, and it is already initializing. So we'll just have to wait for this one, since right after this, it will open the output folder when the conversion is completed. And now, as you can see, it gone ahead and already redirected us onto the folder that it made for Video Pro Converter AI. So let's try to see the photo that we have upscaled. So let's just wait for this one to load. So actually this is just fast and easy, and as you can see, it has the best quality, and if you zoom onto it, it has still the nice quality that it offers, so that it won't give you something that is blurry. And that's just basically it onto upscaling your images using AI. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if it did, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and up until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.